Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we have come to Chikmagalur. We started our journey from Manglore to Chikmagalur, which is around 3 hours. During the road trip, there were many hairpin curves which made the journey enjoyable for the driver but not so much for the passengers. Finally, we reached the Gatikallu resort. Gatikallu Homestay, standing at over 2000 feet tall, this one rock mountain is a jewel tucked in the scenic Western Ghats. Streams, mountains, valleys, it has all the right ingredients of a perfect recipe of rejuvenating gateway in the laps of nature. They have parking and reception at a lower level, and all the rooms are at the next level, and this is the path where we are headed to our rooms. The rooms here have amazing and scenic views. Even though we are in midsummer, still we were surrounded by lush greenery from all sides. We arrived here at lunchtime. After a tiring journey, we first had our lunch and relaxed a bit. Got settled by taking the mesmerizing view. The homestay offered us to take to various places nearby. Instead of traveling in multiple cars, they offered us to travel together via a pickup truck. We were looking forward for it as it was a new experience for all of us. Initially, the driver started to drive slowly and carefully, and once we got a hang of it, he started to drive a bit faster, which literally bounced us left and right. However, the view from the pickup truck made us withstand the journey. As soon as we reached our destination, everyone were eager to get down and were relaxed once their feet touched the ground. It felt good to walk. So our first destination was Kodije Waterfalls. Due to the summer season, the water level was a bit low, but the water was cool and it felt quite relaxing. After spending some time, we went to the lower point of the waterfall where we decided to go for a swim. After swimming our hearts out, we had some hot beverages at a stall above, and it was time for a group photo. The next destination was Sunset Point. Sun was already set, but we enjoyed the last end moments of a beautiful evening. We headed back to our resort and played some indoor games. Later in the night, they had arranged a bonfire. Even though summer season is going on, the temperature during the night was cool enough to enjoy the bonfire. As the day came to an end, it was time to get together and enjoy the night. Next morning, we got up at 6 a.m. to enjoy the surreal view. As we were enjoying the climate and the views, we also got to see peacocks around. After having delicious and fulfilling breakfast, we headed back to Mulki. On the way back, we drove through coffee plantations. We took a different route, which was through a forest area. Just before the end of the forest area, we stopped for a quick refreshment and we witnessed an amazing view and a beautiful bridge, which was the icing on the cake. We have come to an end of our Chikmagalur trip. Thank you for joining us on this video. Stay tuned for more amazing vlogs.